Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it's Columbus Day, 14th day of October. Rich here on a 62-degree Monday morning. The ground is wet. There has been some rain. I've had a third of an inch in the past 24 hours here. Hopefully, you got some good rains too. And you and I have a lot to talk about this morning. First up, you probably know that we are thinking that there's going to be a significant rainfall event, especially beginning late tonight and continuing tomorrow and tomorrow night in through the middle of the day on Wednesday. And you probably also know, if you've been reading my blog all weekend, that the heaviest rain band, which we first thought might be up in North Alabama, has been shifting slowly southward with each model run. Where is it now? Who could see the heaviest rainfall? I have a brand new map to show you. There have been changes since you've been sleeping overnight. And then, are you ready to get the jackets out of the closet? Get ready, because some much cooler air is on the way. Glad you're here. Today, we are sandwiched in between two fronts, the one to the north and the one to the south, which will be the big player today along the Gulf Coast as moisture rides up and over it, and the front begins to slowly migrate to the north as we go through the daytime hours, and especially to the nighttime hours tonight. That's when the biggest rains will come in. Now, this particular future radar loop takes you through 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. In other words, it starts this afternoon, and it goes till 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Notice how the rain gets heavier in the middle of the night, the wee hours of the morning. That's when a significant amount of rainfall could fall in some places. So for today, I've got the rain chances small during the daytime at 20% and high during the nighttime at 70%. Pretty comfortable day for the last day of the fair with 80 degrees. Tonight's low 66. There's tomorrow at 1 o'clock, the big band of rain covering the entire Gulf South through the Gulf states. And then Tuesday, 10 p.m., the rain continues. So hopefully this is going to be drought-busting kind of rain. Fingers crossed. And then even Wednesday morning, the widespread showers continue across the area, maybe even some thunder. And there's the frontal system approaching Memphis in the morning and down to beyond Montgomery in the afternoon, shutting off the rain. Much cooler air back behind it. So how much rain? Well, the 80 to 90 band of heaviest rain has now shifted southward. You see it along the I-85 corridor and covering much of central and south Alabama with amounts maybe 2 to 3 inches in some cases, maybe even more than 3 inches in some places, and even some beneficial amounts in South Alabama south of that big band. So a chilly start on Thursday in the 40s and a fine fall day only in the low 70s. Another chilly morning Friday, maybe around 50, maybe upper 40s. Comfortable day though, and we note that tropical low in the western Gulf of Mexico moving towards the Louisiana coast on Saturday, so clouds increasing late Friday, and the chance of showers introduced into the forecast on Saturday, and a better chance Sunday as we continue to monitor that tropical low. Will it be anything more than that? Well, we'll see. We'll watch it. So I've got the rain chances, 90% chance, showers and thunderstorms Tuesday and Tuesday night and through part of the day Wednesday before by midday the rain ends and it turns much cooler. Upper 40s on Thursday morning, only low 70s for a high Thursday, and then around 50 on Friday morning with the chance of showers returning Saturday. This is the GFS ensembles showing the two coolest mornings Thursday and Friday morning behind cold front number 1. Cold front number 2 right around, let's say, October 25th, and some cool mornings right after that. Out in the tropics, we have an area to watch in the Atlantic and what will become Tropical Storm Nestor off the African coast. But it's that area in the Western Caribbean with a 20% chance of development moving into the Bay of Campeche that we're particularly interested in. That could affect our weather by the weekend. Hey, with all these weather changes coming up, get our weather app on your phone or tablet now. It has advanced interactive radar, push notifications for watches and warnings, access to all these video updates as well. It's going to be great to have this week with all the changes. Go to the App Store, search Rich Thomas Weather. I have been looking very carefully at the parameters. I don't think we're going to see any severe weather with this particular frontal system, but we are starting to edge closer to the tornado season again, of course. We have our second tornado season coming up, especially in November and in through the winter months, right? Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Boy, meteorologist Ryan Stinn and I have a lot of weather to talk about, starting at 5:50 a.m. Another video for you. First thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. when the rain will be heavy here I might have to do the video inside, and your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. Have a great day today. I'll keep you up to date, okay?
Rich Thomas Weather.